In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Easy 2025 tutorial. Before we begin, remember this is an educational walkthrough. Cryptocurrency is volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose and be mindful of fees. You'll want to be signed in to your Coinbase account and have funds available in your GBP wallet so the purchase can go through smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Coinbase. Click the official result and make sure you're on the correct site by checking the address bar and the security lock icon. Once you're on the Coinbase home screen, you're ready to move into the buy flow. Look for the buy and sell option at the top of the page or in the main navigation and click it. This opens the trading panel. From here, choose buy to set up a purchase rather than a sell or convert action. Next, select Bitcoin as the asset you want to purchase. It's typically listed as Bitcoin with the BTC ticker. Take a second to confirm you're selecting Bitcoin and not a similarly named token. Now set the order type to one-time order. This tells Coinbase you want a single purchase, not a recurring schedule. If you ever see an option for daily, weekly, or monthly buys, that's for recurring purchases. For this walkthrough, keep it on one-time order. Double check that it's still set to one-time order before proceeding, just to avoid accidentally scheduling repeat buys. When you return to the main buy panel, click Pay With to choose where the funds will come from. Select GBP Wallet so the purchase uses your existing GBP balance. If your account displays a different currency, choose the wallet that matches your available funds. Make sure the balance covers both the amount of Bitcoin you want and any fees. With your asset, order type, and payment source set, click Review Order. This summary page is important. Carefully check the Bitcoin amount, the price, the fee, and the total you're paying. Small differences can happen due to market movement, so take a breath and verify everything looks right. If it all checks out, click Buy Now to confirm. Coinbase will process the purchase, and you should see a confirmation message. Your Bitcoin balance will appear in your portfolio shortly after. You can view the transaction details, including the filled price and fee, in your account's activity or portfolio section. And that's it. You searched for Coinbase, opened the buy and sell panel, chose buy, selected Bitcoin, confirmed a one-time order, paid with your GBP wallet, reviewed the order, and finalized the purchase. If this helped, keep practicing safe account security and review fees before every trade.